I've been watching TikTok a lot. Why? Because I'm at the age that once the kids are done being all over TikTok, it reaches me and then it'll reach the older people than me. It does that. Social media climbs. Starts with the kids, they get bored, it gets up to the adults, they watch, then it gets up to the elderly and they finally get. That's why now Facebook has more grandparents than teenagers. So it's a cycle. Every social media does it. Don't think you're, cutting edge people or anything. But I just want to give you some warnings about TikTok. It's the more I watch it, how do I say this? The more I watch TikTok, the less I want to watch TikTok. Okay. I stopped watching the comedy routines. When you're lip syncing to somebody else's material, you shouldn't get watches. You shouldn't get followers. Okay, it's great that you can lip sync. Oh my God, anybody in the world can lip sync, but the writers of the material deserve the credit. And I think there's no regulations on TikTok. YouTube has 1,000 regulations. If I pop a picture of Harry Potter up here, I'm gonna get popped for like copyright infringement, unless I'm unless I'm faking a reaction or something. I mean, so TikTok, you can rip off music, comedy, and all you do is lip sync to it, and you get a bunch of followers. And then you have a bunch of followers, and you start making money off your channel. That's great, but you've done literally absolutely nothing. You have no artistic ability, no talent. You're not learning as you go. You're just doing the same thing over and over. You're regurgitating. There's some people that'll be over here and the copyright videos over here, but somebody else did the TikTok video. And they're just like this. That's it. They're just watching it. That's a reaction video. I'm like, what your reaction is zero. You are completely ripping off other people. So there's a lot of just stuff going on TikTok that shouldn't be. If they can search for graphic, there's some videos that say, oh, this is sensitive material. Do you want to watch it? If they can search for that, why can't they do what YouTube does and scan your video to make sure you're not doing copyright infringement? Make sure you're at least not using somebody else's song. See it all the time. So I now see comedy routines where somebody's lip syncing. If it's a true comedian like Bill Burr, I'll watch him because it's his TikTok. But if somebody doing Bill Burr, I'll swipe. I don't believe anybody should get credit for somebody else's work. Another thing is cleaning solutions are great. Organization, cleaning, housekeeping, design, DIY, all that's great on TikTok. When they're trying to push products, oh, look, this cleans beautifully. Well, first of all, it's a brand new tire. They dusted it up and they used the cleaning solution to wipe it. It looks brand new again. Wow. Well, the cleaning solution's wet. You don't show me the cleaning solution. And there's a link in your bio where you're trying to get affiliate marketing percentage by selling it to me. Once again, there's no revealing of this information. TikTok is there's a lot of scams. Be careful. There's financial scams. There's people like, hey, let me tell you how you can make $3,500. These are the 10 places that let you work at home. Well, once you dive into it, you get suckered into it. You find out there's loopholes. I have to speak German, and I have to have a Mac computer, and I have to make donuts on Thursday. I mean, there's so many loopholes you got to jump through to work at home and make that money. But people love to catch you guys because the key is there's so many gullible people out there that they'll just keep getting views and they'll just keep getting views. So let me tell you what you do. If you see a cleaning solution, go to the comment section. They'll tell you if it works. They'll tell you the name of the product. If they don't show you a name or they start off with, hey, let me show you how to make money, go to the next video. That's garbage. That's like saying, well, I'm not going to insult you. You know they're going to insult you, okay? Same thing with, hey, you want to make money? Hey, you want me to just give you a scam idea and you'll never be able to do it, but I'm going to tell you anyway, so you watch my video. So there's a lot of stuff on TikTok you got to be careful of. Realize like there's some great cooking tips. If a cleaning tip it's got like natural products like vinegar and water and a Tide Pod and all that stuff, they tell you how to make it at home and they're not trying to sell you garbage. then that's a good cleaning tip. But when they're trying to sell you garbage, just blow it off and go to the next video. Um, a lot of you are done watching TikTok. A lot of you are just getting introduced to TikTok. But you just got to be careful. It's literally wall to wall scams that you're like, okay, yeah, that's like a once in a million chance. But tell me about it and get me excited and get my heart rate up, and maybe I'll send you money or do what you say or watch your video or share it. And then there's some really good stuff. There's some historical stuff, some medical information, but once again, verify with your doctor. These are all warnings. All right. You don't want to be buying stuff through TikTok. Now, I recommend you want to stop people from trying to push products that don't work. You want to stop all that product, salesmanship that they do on TikTok. Yeah, find out what the product is in the comment section. Go to Amazon and see how the ratings are. Check out the ratings somewhere else, not just on TikTok. I just don't trust them. So I'm hoping that you'll watch TikTok safely. It's just being safe, protecting you. Don't get suckered in. I've done a few test results. I like some of the recipes that TikTok's got. There is quality information on TikTok. No way am I saying TikTok's a waste or it's wrong, but it's like walking through a landmine. You'll find the gold in between the bombs. So be careful. Be very careful and bounce an idea off somebody else that you trust and and see if it's true, or call on it or whatever. Just be careful. I can't tell you guys enough how many people fall for these things. I go in the comment section, it tells me everything. So go to the comment section. It's like a speak bubble with 3 dots in it. Go there and you'll read all the truth. You'll read, I bought this stuff. It doesn't work like they say. That's a scam. Don't listen to this guy because of this reason. I listened to him and I took his course and it didn't work. Whatever. But just be careful. All right. That's it.